In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into HubSpot seamlessly and efficiently, ensuring that all your valuable information is organized and ready to use. Importing data might seem like a daunting task, but with just a few easy steps, you can have your HubSpot account populated with all the data you need without breaking a sweat. Let's get started by navigating to the Imports section in HubSpot. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, head over to the Data Management section. From there, click on Data Integration. Alternatively, if you're already on an Objects Index page, you can simply click on the Import button located in the top right corner. This approach gives you two convenient pathways to reach the same destination, making sure you have the flexibility you need. Once you're in the right spot, it's time to initiate the import process. Look for the option that says Import Data and give it a click. Now you'll see an option to Start Import, which you should also select. This is where the actual process of bringing your data into HubSpot begins, so make sure you're ready with your files. The next step is to select the objects you want to import. In HubSpot, objects refer to different categories like contacts or companies. Choose the one that best matches the data you're importing and click Next to proceed. This step is crucial because organizing your data correctly from the start will help you later as you work with it in HubSpot. Now it's time to choose the file you want to upload. At this point, you can decide whether you're uploading a single file or multiple files. Go ahead and click Choose a File to upload your data file, whether it's a CSV or XLSX format. This is a straightforward step, but make sure to double check that you're selecting the correct files, as the data in those files will be mapped into your HubSpot account. With your file chosen, HubSpot will help you map the data. HubSpot attempts to automatically map your file's columns to the correct properties, saving you time. However, it's important to review these mappings to ensure accuracy. If you notice a column without a matching property, this is your chance to create new properties. Taking the time to get the mapping right will ensure your data is organized and easily accessible in HubSpot. Once you've mapped your data, you're almost done. Review all details and check for any errors. This final check is crucial to avoid any issues later on. After you're satisfied everything is correct, click on Finish Import and you're all set. HubSpot will process your upload and you'll soon have all your data available for use. By following these steps, you can import your data smoothly and efficiently, keeping your HubSpot account up to date and organized.